Hi everyone, this is Rebecca from Simple Suburban Living, and in this video I'm going to try out and review this Campbell's Oven Sauces Creamy Garlic Butter Chicken. Alright, so this is something that I had purchased for my mom when I was still living in Colorado, and I didn't want her to have to go to the grocery store. I wanted her to have some simple things that she could use, and at the time I couldn't find cream of chicken, soup, and that type of thing, so I thought that this might be a good alternative. So anyway, if you can see on the package, it says just add chicken and vegetables. And on the back, it tells you that you need 4 boneless, skinless chicken breasts or 8 boneless, skinless chicken thighs, 2 cups of potatoes cut in 1-inch pieces, and 1 package of frozen whole green beans or your favorite frozen vegetables. Now, I didn't have any frozen vegetables, so I'm using canned, and I might have more chicken here than I need, but I'm just going to go with what I've got here. And what it says to do is it says to place the chicken in a 13 by 9 by 2-inch baking dish, and I have actually a square baking dish, but I'm going to use that. And arrange the potatoes around the chicken. Top the potatoes with the green beans and spread the sauce evenly over chicken and vegetables. Okay, so I've got the chicken in the pan, and I'm going to put my potatoes around it. Let me pull the camera up just a little bit so you can see a little bit more of what I'm doing. Alright, so putting the potatoes in all the way around the chicken. Once I do that, then I will dump the green beans over the potatoes. So kind of doing that, just kind of going to spread them around. And so they're more or less even around the chicken. Okay, that's good enough, I think. All right. Now I'm going to open this package of the oven sauce. And I'm just going to squeeze it all out. It says to basically cover the chicken and the vegetables evenly. So I'm just squeezing it onto the chicken, and then I'm going to use a spoon to spread it around. So I will say that, assuming this tastes good, it's definitely couldn't get much easier than this. So let me, squeeze out as much of this sauce as I can out of the package. Okay, I just pulled this out of the oven after 40 minutes. And you can see that it's nice and bubbly. Got the sauce in it. I did cut open this piece of chicken to make sure that it's done. And it is done all the way through, just barely that bigger piece, but the smaller pieces I'll serve up right away. I might heat up I might first serve these smaller pieces and let this one keep going a little bit. But you see it's got kind of a little bit of a crustiness on it, but it's not dried out too bad. I'm gonna see how these potatoes are. Okay, the potatoes are actually not done all the way through. So I'm gonna actually put this back into bake, but I'm concerned about it getting too dry. So I'm going to put some foil over the top and put it in maybe another 10 minutes, and then I'll show you what it's like. Okay, so I put it in the oven for an additional 10 minutes, and you can see I covered it with foil because it was getting a little dried out. And by the way, the potatoes not being done, that could have been my fault more than a fault of the thing, because I might have cut them a little bit big. It said 1-inch cubes, and I'm personally never very good at estimating that type of thing. So yeah, I think that those are done well enough now. Okay, now I need to let it sit for 5 minutes before I serve it up, and so I'll bring you back when I'm ready to serve it up, and I'll have my mom do a taste test for us and let us know what she thinks. Okay, 5 minutes has gone by, so I'm going to dish up some of this chicken and potato and green beans for my mom, and I also have a salad for her here. So I'm just going to give her a piece of chicken and some green beans, and we'll get some pieces of potato. It's not really very much potato. 2 cups of potato is not very much, but that's what it called for. Alright, and that's probably plenty for her, and I'm just going to put some of this sauce over the chicken and the potatoes. Alright, and then I'm going to bring it to her and have her taste test and let us know what she thinks about this. Okay. Okay, Mom, lunch is ready.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. So there's some chicken, and there's some green beans and some potatoes, and of course you've got your salad as well, which is very important. So you might, I gave you a knife in case you need to use that to cut it. Yeah, it should be tender, but just in case.
Well, it'll be, yeah, it is tender.
Okay.
Eat a little bit of
Yeah.
thing.
So what do you think?
Very good.
How does it compare to the other one where I used the biscuit mix and the cream of chicken soup and all of that? Which do you prefer?
Well, I think I like the topping of, with the biscuit.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, but this is comparable.
In terms of the flavor. In terms of the flavor, it's
Yes.
good. Okay. All right. Well, thank you. Enjoy your lunch, Mom.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
And all of
I
the...
really liked that crust.
Yeah, the crust on the... So, in a sense, it's if I was going to make one or the other, you prefer the one with the biscuit mix on top. Okay, great. All right, everyone, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you would like more videos, be sure to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks so much. Have a great day.